you just mentioned the dangers of pornography. You said you're about raising awareness of it to people. Can you like maybe describe, like give us some examples of the dangers of pornography?
Oh wow. Where do we go, and how long do we have? I think, and first let me preface this context. When I talk about pornography, I'm describing internet streaming pornography. What we see readily available. This infinite amount of supply. I mean, there was a statistic shared early last year that one site, which is the most popular site that people know about, had 165 years of content, which basically meant that you would have to sit there, for 165 years to consume all of it. And there's millions of videos, uploaded every single month. I think probably the biggest danger that most people don't understand is the impact that it has on our brain, and our reward center. In the neuroscience world, internet streaming pornography is what's known as a supernormal stimulus, meaning from second exposure, literally the first or second time you look at it, it changes the way that your brain fires and releases dopamine, literally sets it for a new baseline. So I think probably the biggest danger that most people don't realize is it hijacks your pleasure center, it hijacks your reward center. So over time, and a lot of what I see with men is they don't find joy or excitement or happiness in any other area of their life other than seeking out to try to find more pornography. So, I mean, that's probably the biggest one that I address with the coaching that we do. But there's this whole other side that I'm also involved with a couple of nonprofits that raise awareness to human trafficking, and the link between the two. I don't believe that you could be anti-human trafficking and pro-porn, because they're one of the same. One is kind of the marketing department for the other industry. So that would probably be the two, hijacking your brain, your reward center, and then the kind of dangers that are going on behind the scenes.